Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Karen to Clean. And as you could see by the thumbnail, it's my after Thanksgiving clean with me. We had went out of town for Thanksgiving, so we didn't host Thanksgiving in our home. And I did, clean up my house, before we left, so that way when we came back home, it wasn't so messy. But once we got home and everything like that, we had laundry to do. That morning, Friday, I had to make the bed and all that stuff. And then we were also getting all the Christmas stuff down from the attic so we can, prep and decorate for Christmas. So there was a lot of things going on, you know, during this time frame. But anyway, my Christmas decorate with me will be in another video, of course, but this one I'm basically concentrating on kind of cleaning up the house, kind of tidying it. Didn't really need a whole lot of cleaning, but just just the normal everyday, making up your bed, getting the laundry done, unloading the dishwasher and loading the dishwasher, just your typical day in the house. But I named it after Thanksgiving because it was after Thanksgiving, so that's why it's called after Thanksgiving clean with me. But anyway, right here, as you can see, I'm in my in our suitcase, and I'm just taking all the dirty clothes that were in there, and I'm sorting through them, and all that stuff, and then I'm gonna take them and wash them, and you'll see me put them in the washer. I don't video all of it, like putting it from the washer to the dryer and all that, but I figure at least film some of it. But anyway, so, and that's me again. Me again. Of course it's me again. Anyway, I am gathering up just all the clothes that's in our bedroom and putting it in the laundry basket so that way I can wash it. And now I am just tidying up the bathroom. This is not a full bathroom clean. This is just me in my bathroom tidying it up for the day. So anyway, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. And you'll also see me vacuuming my bedroom, my living room, all that stuff. So anyway, I just wanted to kind of provide a little bit of a clean with me, like after Thanksgiving clean with me type of thing. And also just kind of give you a little bit of motivation here. So anyway, I'm gonna play some music in the background and just kind of enjoy watching me clean my house. As you can see, I am unloading my dishwasher right now. I had ran a cycle, and once it was done, I unloaded it, and I waited a little while to unload it and everything. But and then a little after that, right after I unload it, I have to start loading it up again because, of course, throughout the day you get more dishes and everything. So, anyway, I just wanted to kind of let you guys know that, yeah, some time had passed during this time frame where I'm unloading the dishwasher. And then in a little bit, you're going to see me in the living room where I'm going to start vacuuming it and cleaning it up and everything like that. Basically getting ready to, decorate for Christmas. And right there, you can probably see the tree that's over there by the stairs. So anyway, it's not decorated yet or anything like that. But anyway, so I just wanted to kind of let you guys know what was going on during this time frame. So anyway, enjoy. we are nearing the end of this video, and I'm just putting up the rest of the laundry. Also, I just wanted to say that I included a picture, like a graphic picture of my Thanksgiving decor, because as I said before, I did decorate for the fall season, but on the back of the fall decor is, Thanksgiving sayings. So I wanted to include a graphic picture of that decor since we didn't actually host for Thanksgiving. But anyway, I just want to say thank you again for watching my video and subscribing to Karen to Clean. I'll see you guys next time.